Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And I want to talk to you guys as I've been kind of side by side comparing Boost Mobile prepaid to Boost Infinite postpaid. And I just kind of want to give you guys my thoughts really quick about them. Now, for the prepaid side, for people to kind of understand, it is on the expanded network. What that means is that the SIM card that I have has my service connected to T-Mobile. It's not on the transformed Boost Mobile network, which is AT&T. Sorry about the dogs. So I just wanted to kind of be clear about that. Speed wise and everything like that, I've run countless speed tests on the T-Mobile network. I've run countless speed tests on the AT&T network. They're fine. Both services pretty much are reliable for what I need to get done day to day, whether I'm out and about or I'm here at home. So yeah, there's not really a giant significant difference other than pricing. $25 is what I'm going to be paying for Boost Infinite plus taxes, which the taxes aren't even that bad because it's like the most recent bill that I have is at $25.34. So I'm only paying 34 cents in taxes. As the Boost Mobile prepaid, kind of a little bit on the unfair side because when I registered it for the EBB program last year, I pretty much had phone service with Boost Mobile at zero cost. And it's still like that today. As a matter of fact, the end of the bill cycle is December 23rd, and it shows I'm not paying anything for the December 24th to January 23rd bill cycle. So I'm pretty much good there. Now, when January rolls around and it tells me that I owe a bill, I have $60 of credit already on the account. So it'll take from the credit to pay the additional month. And then I'm just going to let the services go. Reason why is because Boost Infinite has been awesome. $25 a month, unlimited talk, unlimited text, 30 gigabytes of priority access data, and then you're slowed for the rest of your bill cycle if you pass 30 gigabytes of data. International calling to 80 plus countries and international text messaging to 200 plus countries for $25. Again, if you're wanting something similar to that, you would go to Google Fi and pay $65 a month plus taxes to get something similar to that. Now, you can't use Boost Infinite overseas just yet. So maybe they'll have something in the future for international roaming. I mean, they already have a deal in place with T-Mobile. Next year, we'll get dynamic switching from AT&T to T-Mobile. Yeah, AT&T to T-Mobile. So we got a lot to look forward to with that. As far as just the branding itself, I mean, that's really what it is. Dish Wireless is Boost Infinite postpaid, Boost Mobile prepaid. Now, I know that on the Boost Transform network, they have a deal going on, which is similar to Boost Infinite. $25, unlimited talk and text, 30 gigs of priority access data, and then you're slow for the rest of your bill cycle. What is the difference between that and Boost Infinite? Well, dynamic switching is one of them. We will have that soon. Remember, this is early access beta, so Boost Infinite hasn't fully launched to the public yet. And then number two, we have international calling from the US out to these international countries. 80 countries to call, 200 countries to text message. That you don't get on the Boost Transformed $25 unlimited plan. So while they're very close, there's perks. If you go prepaid side, you got to have auto pay on to get it at $25, or it's actually $35 for it. And I believe it's taxes and fees included on that. Boost Infinite, taxes and fees are not included on that, but you get the international calling, you get the dynamic switching. Between the Boost Expanded, which is a T-Mobile network, versus the Boost Infinite, it only kind of gives me an idea of using both of these phones, what I'm going to get when dynamic switching is alive and available on Boost Infinite. So very exciting for that. And it's going to be even more crazy in the future when Dish Network is completely rolled out and we have phones that support their 5G bands. It's just going to be, I'm excited for it. Not because of the speed or anything like that, but because of the reliability. A 3-network reliability is better than 1. Now, to answer the question about leaving Visible, Visible is great. It is unlimited. I would definitely recommend it to anyone out there looking for a cheap prepaid service that uses Verizon's network. The 45 plus plan did not slow me down. I did multiple speed tests on it to show people that, you know, it was at times accessing pretty fast speeds. Latency was pretty good on it. And Yeah, they didn't really slow you down. The only thing that it was like you had the unlimited hotspot, but it was a 5 megabit per second by 5 megabit per second link if you use it as a hotspot, which was still good. I ran all my IoTs on it, and it handled just fine. Watching movies on it was just fine for my TV, going off the hotspot with Visible Plus. But to me, looking at more ways to save money and dropping my bill down by $20 for something like Boost Infinite, big thumbs up. I still have Mobile X. That is also $25 plus taxes, and that gives me access to Verizon's network. So literally with these two lines, I'll be having the ability to utilize all four carriers in the future. So anyways, at the end of the day, Boost Mobile Prepaid has come a long way from what it was before. The devices that they carry may not be that enticing unless you're going for like the iPhones, or you're going for the Galaxy devices, then yes. But there are some other ones out there that I never heard of that's on the website. It's like, it's prepaid, so it's going to carry that. But yeah, if you're credit challenged or anything like that, going on the prepaid side, you'll be able to utilize getting a similar plan at the same price. Of course, having auto pay, which means that you just got to make sure that you have $25 when your bill is due in your account, so they can automatically charge you for that $25, and you're golden. So, but if you're wanting to get in on postpaid side and get whatever benefits from postpaid, because eventually Boost Infinite will have those benefits, people got to like pump the brakes and slow down. It is early access beta, which means that all the other things that they would be giving, we're not seeing it just yet. Who knows? I'm taking a stab at it. I could be totally wrong, but maybe if you're a Boost Infinite customer, maybe you get like a drastic discount if you bundle with Dish Network. You just never know what's coming down the pike. So it's too soon to say what kind of features we're gonna get for being postpaid customers on Boost Infinite, because it's still early access beta. Please keep that in mind before you're like, I'm not getting a lot out of this. How come they're not giving us some extra additional features like T-Mobile and AT&T and all them do? Give it time. When it rolls out, when it's fully launched to the public, we'll see what they do with it then. It could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. We just have to wait. Only time will tell. Thanks for watching this quick little video. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are in the comments. Smash the like button to beat the algorithm. Peace.